What we have here is a 7mm scale 1 to 43 trailer, well, Arctic with trailer, and it's a practical trailer, i.e. It needs to tip, and you can see I've put some sand in there. Sand is of course very dense, so weight-wise that's quite a lot. I think it'll probably be used for tipping coal or something like that, which is an awful lot lighter than sand. So I think what I've got here in sand will certainly equate to a full load of coal, and indeed that probably weighs more than a full load of coal. Now this is literally the very, very first trial tip of a load, and it's going to go everywhere and create a heck of a mess, but there's no way around that. It's not wired up to radio control or anything else, so I'm just putting volts through it to see. So let's see if it works. Thank heavens it does. Now this has got a 10mm diameter motor driving it. And that is successful. Now I'll see if I can give you a better view of the mechanism. Bear with me. What we have is a linear actuator which has an internal screw thread, a 2mm screw thread inside. That's in the centre between the two fixed links, and at the bottom of that, between the chassis rails, in line, which you really can't see at all, is the motor. It's a gear motor, and as I say, the actual motor is I think it's about 10mm diameter, might be a little bit smaller than that, about 10mm diameter, about 140 RPM. And this rather complicated linkage successfully translates this small throw of the actuator giving me this range, but what this bit does is it gives the mechanical advantage to actually pick up the heavy body at the lowest position. This bit acts as a lever when it's down here to pick the body up. So it's quite a clever little linkage, and it seems to work quite well to make the most of what is in fact a very small ram. I know it's not prototypical insofar as the real thing uses a single large ram used in a simple fashion, but I don't have the ability to make a telescopic ram in the same way, but this enables me to do the job effectively. and you can see how that top lever lowers down and it all sits down and the mechanism folds down flat, and you can just see it protruding at the bottom very slightly, and I can live with that. So that is a success from my point of view, apart from the mess I've got to clear up.